All right. So it's lesson 2. But there's lesson 1 that I've skipped, but I'll come back to it. It's mostly for paper 1, but I'll come back to it. It's just a small lesson. So this is lesson 2. Now, under lesson 2, when these questions come by exam, they carry how many marks? 4. 5 marks. 5 marks. 5 marks. Just like that. So now here we're done with our Sokatoa. We're done with Sokatoa. This time around we start looking at what nani right angled what triangle. Sokatoa is only used in right angled what triangle. But in non-right angled triangle we can use sine rule and cosine what rule. Just for the sake of those that were not there, I just watched the video. So mean that we're talking about this. When, okay, let me just put it here. When this is a right angle triangle, you can't use what? Sine rule. No. In this case, we're going to use what? Sokatoa. Meaning that if the angle given is here, where it is facing the Shimichane opposite. Do you remember that? From the video. And then, Mwamene made it 90 degrees and the angle given where they lie is called the what adjacent. And where this 90 degrees can is pointing is called the what hypotenuse. Now, what if the angle changes, becomes upper, so a change up? That means that the only thing that is going to change is the opposite and what adjacent. But the hypotenuse remains what the same. The hypotenuse. Means that since the angle is here, that means that where it is facing, is what opposite. And where it is with the 90 degrees in the same line, it is called the what adjacent. So the only thing that you should know is the Sokatoa. Very simple. Well, once you know this, the moment you start answering, as long as you see a right angle triangle, you see Sokatoa. But when you see a triangle without any 90 degrees, Sokatoa is not applicable there. Check the sides given, then from there you'll be able to determine there are 2 types of rules that we use. There is what you call the sine rule and also what cosine rule. But the cosine rule will come later, but today we'll look at that. Now, we're saying in any right angle, in any triangle or in any non-right angle triangle, the angles are denoted by the capital letters. So the capital letters are denoted by angles, and the small letters are denoted by what? Sides. In short, the sides are denoted by small letters, while the angles are denoted by what? Capital letters. Now, this is angle A. Where angle A faces is small A. This is B. Where B faces is small B. This is C. Where C faces is small C. Simple. So sine rule states that A over sine A is equal to B over sine B is equal to C over sine C. Or alternatively, you can use sine A over A sine B over B sine C over what? C to find that. So, but alternatively, again, we only use 2 ratios here. We don't use all the 3, but we only use what? 2 of them. When do we use sine rule? We use it to solve. We use it when you have 2 sides and are given, and any side are given. Sometimes it can be 2 sides and the non-included what angle given. In short, you can only use sine rule if you're given 2 angles, one side to find the other side, or you're given what 2 sides and 1 angle to find the other angle. That's when you can use sine rule. So you identify what you've been given, and from there you can use sine rule. It's very simple. Simple. Okay. Let's now proceed. There is an example here. This is P. Where P faces is we put small t. Small what? P. So why are we putting small p? Put X, we put small p. This is R. Why is R facing? Put H. We put small r. This is Q. Why is Q facing small Q? Now we check the side which we're looking for. We're looking for what? X. And what letter is on X? P. So it is number P over sine what? P. Capital letter. Okay. Is equal to, am I going to get Q? No. Why? Because Q we don't have what? The angle. Do you also have the side? No, we don't have. So there's no way we can get where we don't have the side. Again, you get where we don't have the side. How do you solve? So we're going to get why the angle is given and also the side. And which one is that? R. So we're going to say R over what? Sine R. We're safe there? Then we go to P. What is on P there? On P there's what? X. Over sine. What angle is opposite the same X? 63. is equal to, do you know R? Yes, R is what? 8 over sine. What is the angle opposite to 8? 40. Save. Manita now. Pesa papa shupile. R, kumuna pepari R papa 8 hapa. We're just replacing what there is R, we're putting the number which is there, which is 8. Sine R, the capital letter R, we said R, the capital letter represents what? The angles. So it means that why there is the R capital letter is what? 40. Yeah, 40 letter for Papa P, what letter is on P is what? X that we're looking for. Then what angle is opposite the same X is what? 60. So that is sine what? 60. So the capital letters represents what? The angles. The small letters represents what? The sine. So if I say P, I can pick a small letter, D I can over sine P opposite. Then we go to R. R, that's why I said that we cannot get these two. We're going to get what we've been given. So we start with what is sides. What side is there? R over sine what? R capital letter. The small letter R represents what? The length. And what is the length there? 8. Over sine R capital letter represents what? The angle opposite that length, which is what? 40. I don't know if we're okay. Are you sure? Yeah. I'm not sure. Oh, what's it? What's that? What's it? Okay. Then what do we do from there? We cross multiply it. So it will be what? X times what? Sine what? 40 is equal to what is there? 8 times, okay, times Z, times what? Sine 63. Very good. What am I looking for? I'm looking for the value of what? X. You divide both sides by what? Sine 40. Even console sine 40. So that is sine 40 and sine 40 out. You have X is equal to what? Calculate. You can't find minus a calculate. Dinizan. 8 times sine 63. Answer divided by sine 40. Hmm? 11.08. 11.08. 11.089280. So to one decimal place, by exam you leave it to 3 significant figures in short. To 3 significant figures it will be what? 11.1, which is what is the centimeters. So the secret, you get 4 marks by exam. The secret is identify the sides that has been given, or the side that you are looking for. First start with the letters first. Then you always start with the side that has got the letter that you are looking for. Then from there, get the other side where everything has been what? Given. Then from there, it becomes simple. Once you just know P, P small letter, R small letter. Let's put small letter. Then always start with the letter of the length that you are looking for. Let's try this other one first. We're looking for X. Okay? Now when you look at X that we're looking, first let's identify the letters. If this is A, the opposite is what? Small a. This is C, the opposite is small c. This is B, the opposite is small b. Okay. We're looking for what? X, and what letter is on X? A. But let's look at the opposite there, where the angle is. Do you have the angle there? Yes. We have the angle, Tefio? Yes. Very good. And then, do you have the angle policy? No. So which side am I going to use? I'm going to use what? So it will be what? A. Tefio? Yes. I said you always start with the letter where the letter where you are for the length that you are looking for. And what letter is for the length that you are looking for? A. Over sine what? Capital letter what? A. Is equal to what? Am I going to use B or am I going to use C? B. So if I use B, do I have the length? Could it be? No. Can I what? So I use that C. So C, but do I have the angle there? No. But is it possible for me to find the angle? Yes, it is. When I add angles of a triangle, when you add interior angles of a triangle, they add up to what? 180. So when I add 61 plus 52 plus the angle that is missing here, I'm supposed to get what? 180. So it's possible for me to find, isn't it? So now it will be C over sine C. But before I use the formula, I'm supposed to find what? The angle. So say, okay, angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Angle C. The answer must be what? 180 degrees. What is on angle A? 52. Plus what is on angle B? 61. Plus C angle C is equal to what? 180. What is 52 plus 61? 113. 113 plus angle what? C is equal to 180. What happens? This one goes there. Angle C is equal to what? 180 minus 113. And what is the answer? 67. 67. After that, I found the angle. Then simple can go and do the formula. What is A now? I'm putting what? X over sine what? Sine. Okay, right. Sine A, what is the angle there? 52 is equal to what is C? C now, the length of C is what? 12.5. So 12.5 over sine. The angle that you have found now, which is what? 67. What do we do from there? So which is X sine 67 is equal to what? 12.5 times what? Sine 67. 52. 52. This and this side, then this and this. Okay, then we divide both sides by what? Sine 67. Even there, sine 67. So that this and this out. X is equal to what? 10.700. 700.
79.
Yeah?
79.
575 plus 575.
5. So we're supposed to, like I said, how many significant figures? 3. So it will be now our X is equal to what? 10 or 7, which is in what? Centimeter. Now tomorrow to be simple, huh? Very simple, huh? You are no. But very simple. Simple. Once you say it is very difficult, it becomes very difficult for you. Sometimes you begin to make them to be simple. They are very simple. You just identify which side. Then from there, after identifying which side, then from there, then you find. Now there is one which is not complicated, but a bit different. Let me answer it, then you write. It's visible. Okay. Now here change. What you are told to find here. Nipakile maleta. Sinipaka maleta by exercise. Nipaza chape ya soche. Yama. Ati bakamba find the angle ati theta. Yachinja kuja taenda kwa angle manje okuteza uzakira machani masai kuja taenda kuli angle manje. Pay attention. So utakwenda kama tiamba same. Ingani F abapansi small ati F. Ingani G small ati G. Ingani E small ati E. What am I looking for? I'm looking for what? Theta. What is opposite the angle that I'm looking for? Which letter is that? E. So you start with what? E. So it will be E over sine what? E. Is equal to which side am I going to get? I'll get F. Yes. So I'll say F over sine what? F. Do you know E?
Yes.
E is ngati 12.5 over sine. Do you know sine E? No. Sine what? Theta. Just theta pale. So pale angle ya E tivakapo chani theta. What is what we're looking for? Was it? Then we proceed. What is our F? Our F is what? Over sine. What is the angle there? 112. What do we do there from there? Cross multiply. Okay, if you cross multiply, you're going to have now a change of 16.7 sine what? Theta is equal to what? 12.5 times sine what? 112. Therefore, you divide both by what? 16.7. Even there, 16.7. So that this and this out, you made with what? Sine theta is equal to, can you give me the answer? 12.5 times sine 112, answer divided by 16.7. 0.693 again 9.
Yes.
891. Okay. So here's I change. I'll show you the method what to do for example. Because I change the C and permanent position. Then we're going to, is this the angle? Is this how we find the angle? No. You people that were watching the video, especially in the morning class, you're not there, I studied that in the afternoon. You go to what? Shift. You remember that? You practice that one day? So theta is equal to what? Sine inverse of, you must see a festival. I'll tell you what to do. 999,891. So now we go to theta is equal to, now what you do, that number is already there, just press what? Shift. After you press shift, you press what? Sine. Then press what? Ans. Then press what? Equals. Press shift, sine, ans, equals. The answer. A sine inverse of the answer equals. What is it giving you?
43.947.
43.9475. Again 7?
Yes.
494. Now we're rounding off to one decimal for angles, so it will be 43.9 degrees. But ngati avute ukwishina papata pantu pamulungu ngati amivuta uyambemu again futi shift shift sine osalemba answer yamba kulemba 0.693999891. Then we press equals. It's okay. It's just a shortcut. Instead of rewriting again the numbers, I'm showing you the So if you don't want to press shifting at maybe vavuta visiye chabe yambamo chabe tilingani pali kashani kaoni no amba movuta again shift but also tilinka shift sign ans. No, this time we press what? Shift sign this now 0.6 equals. You still get the same answer. I just didn't want you to start repeating the same thing. Kind by example, fast kind. Whatever put wabulemburu na namba no, you waste a lot of time. Kind at one peso. Pagiki.
Sam, what if by the very was the night by the number you look up by the rounding off in the
very good. So at 43 point maybe a channel 96 chacha. So this one will be E1 that the Joseph at the cup and 10 up 44. So it's at 44.0. That's the so. Alright, you can download. I will give exercise. Then I start writing science, physics.